Show me your tool. Show me your toy. Alright, so this morning, Monkeyboy's going to use his favorite T handle to try and pull the screws. You got the hiccups out of this box. So, without any further ado, let's get this show on the road. Alright, Monkey. Try at it. Nope, you're tightening it.
With a normal screwdriver, this would be almost impossible.
Well, you want to try it with a normal screwdriver?
No.
Yes. You gotta try it with a normal screwdriver. Here, I want it. Not that it's going to be impossible, Jack. It's just that it's a little harder to do. What do you think?
That's more fun and it actually helps.
Okay. Cool. Get after it, boy. Got a whole bunch to get over.
Yep.
So, what do you got to say? What do you got to say about that?
I don't know really what to say.
Well, I mean, do you like it? Do you not like it? I mean,
I like it. It'd be nice to have for an everyday screwdriver tool.
well, we have one nice for everyday screwdriver tool. Cool. So, as you can see, Monkeyboy is having fun at that. We will see you later on